Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm going to try to do a full face of Sace Lady Cosmetics kasi napansin ko ang dami kong Sace Lady Cosmetics. So naisip ko, why not create a full face of just Sace Lady? Well, I will try. Pero kung merong makeup item na wala ako na Sace Lady, I'm going to use a local brand one. I need my handy dandy get ready with me mirror. Okay, so first off is yung eyebrows muna. I sort of kind of try to shave my eyebrows using this product right here. This is from Sace Lady. Actually, set ko siyang nakuha. Ito, tapos para siyang eye set or something like that. I'll try to link it down below. Meron siyang kasamang lash curler. 2 eyebrow products. Is it 2? First one is yung brow styling gel. Ooh, look at this. Meron siyang kasamang spoolie. Oh, it's a clear gel. And then we have a tinted brow gel. It looks like this. And then I also got a inky liner. Ang ganda ng packaging. Huh? And last but not the least, I have a volume mascara. It's like a jumbo mascara. Let's start with the brow styling gel. I'm just going to fill in yung mga feeling ko may mga sparse area. Honestly, brows is not my forte. I hate wasting too much time on brows. Pero if I want a bushy brow, this one is a perfect combo. Diba? Parang may sariling buhay ang ating kilay. Next, I'm going to try itong tinted brow gel. Meron pala siyang kasamang ganito, guys. Spoolie and eyebrow liner. Can also be an eyeliner brush. Just tiny bit. Just like that. Now for the base, I'm going to moisturize my face using itong water cream from Hiii Glow Boost. I'm just gonna wait for it to set. And then I'm going to use yung all matte primer from Sace Lady as well. This primer is really nice. It says all matte, pero hindi naman siya like super duper nakaka all matte. This primer really gives you a smooth and a little bit of a slippery base. Next, we have the foundation, Sace Lady Real Skin Foundation, and Sace Lady Puff. I'm so sorry, guys. This video is not sponsored, by the way. Itong foundation ito, buildable full coverage, or you can use a wet sponge para gawin siyang mas minipes, para alam mo mas natural looking. And that is what I like to do. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to get this blush right here also from Sace Lady. Ito yung Pop Cheek Compact Blush. This is what it looks like. Believe it or not, I'm going to use this as my blush and a little bit of eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply it lightly all over my eyelids. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a brush of, you know, color on your eyelids. And then maglalagay din ako sa eye bags. I'm sorry guys, naglalaro ang ating ilaw because sisikat ang araw, mawawala. Yun. Now, ididiretso ko na sa blush bilang nagamit na natin siya sa eyes. And then I'm going to do the Igari style, like under eye blush. And then I'm going to put a little bit sa nose. Parang may sipon lang. Then I have here a Sace Lady highlighter powder. I'm going to put sa fingers ko and then lightly tapping it sa gitna. And then papunta sa middle. Pero mamaya ko na siya gagamitin on my face. I'm going to use a makeup setting spray para mas mag-pop out yung highlighter on my face. But for now, I'm going to proceed with the eyeliner. Ang posh, oh, shiny, shimmering, splendid. I like the eyeliner. Now let's try the volumizing mascara. So guys, ayan yung one dip, but like 10,000 brush strokes. Do you see the difference? Lashes natin. Okay, so once nag-dry na yung mascara, setting spray, then saka ako gagamit ng highlighter. Since wala akong contour powder ng Sace Lady, I'm going to use my ever favorite from Ara Colors. So for the lips, Sace Lady liquid lipstick. It's pink ang peg natin. I'm going to use number 10 and number 02. Wait, let me highlight my ano pala. Let me highlight my eyebags. Try nyo talaga mag-highlight ng eyebags, you guys. It's life-changing. So, unahin ko yung 02. Para mas natural, I'm going to smudge it bago siya mag-dry. Okay, I'm going to use number 8. Another trick you can do, you guys, is put a darker color sa lower lip lang and wag masyado sa upper lip.
Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really.
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's like a pinky flush. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Full face of Sace Lady. Everything is affordable. Easy to order via Shopee or via Lazada. Comment down below ano yung next full face na gusto nyong gawin ko, because next video natin, I do believe I'm going to do a wear test. I'm not sure yet. But a lippy wear test. But make sure na nakasubscribe ka and naka-click yung bell button para alam mo kapag nag-upload ako ng video. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Umiinit na. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!